This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need admin rights? Once you have them, create a restore point and save documents. Open services by typing services. MSC, then locate Security Center, named WSCSVC. Right away change startup type to automatic, delayed start, if it isn't already. This ensures Windows attempts to run it after boot. Once done, try to start the service with the Start button. This is the first actionable step because it tests basic configuration quickly and avoids needless deeper fixes. If the service won't stay running, run System File Checker and DISM to repair corrupted system files. Open an elevated command prompt, run sfc/scano, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Next, ensure the service configuration is correct by running scconfig wscsvc start equals auto followed by sc start wscsvc. Also check and start dependencies, remote procedure call, event log, and network location awareness. Because Security Center depends on them, make sure each dependency is running before retrying the main service. After repairs, reboot to let changes settle, and then confirm Security Center is running in services and visible in Action Center. If it still fails, open Event Viewer and examine logs for WSCSVC errors and event ID so you know the cause. As a final step, reset service permissions using Subanacl or take ownership on registry keys, or create a fresh admin user to rule out profile corruption. If that still fails, use the event ID to search targeted fixes or contact support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.